right, I'm back. Robert just built the smallest tower possible. He only did 3 spins. So it was like what, 30, 36?
30 and 36 again.
So just 3 spins because we just wanted enough to push this tower forward. Because as much as we love Angry Bird, we've been playing this for like what, 40 minutes now?
It's always a long project.
Time to go play some other games. So building towers helps push your other towers forward. But if you're not going to stick around to win the second tower, what's the point of making it big? I mean, to help other people out, sure, but we're not here to help other people out today.
This is taking forever as it is.
All right, I am recording, but that's
I know.
okay. Just ignore what he says. He didn't say anything at all.
Losing my patience.
Why does it keep going?
I know, like how it's like we try not to build a tower and it still builds.
It's still building.
Hopefully it's enough because look how close we are on this one. So close. Just so close.
Why is it still going?
I don't know. And I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. You should also. It was in the middle of that yellow bonus. It definitely.
I did not see no bunch of coins.
So he should still be getting
Yeah, I should have.
a whole bunch of coins.
So I shouldn't have to do anything else.
You shouldn't. I wouldn't. I know you like the spam. You do it however.
Right now.
I know. I'm telling you how to play again. Sorry.
I don't need to spend anymore.
Yeah.
Why does it keep building?
I don't know.
It's just getting a little ridiculous now. Oh my gosh, it's still going.
Holly's sorting her cards. This is more interesting than watching the tower be built.
This is ridiculous.
You sure won a lot of cards. You only played for like 10 minutes.
Well, thank goodness you got that one stack for me. Alright, so I need 1, 3, 6, 7, and my triple.
You're gonna cash them all in though, right?
Yeah.
All
And then
right.
I'm gonna get half and half for the NFTs because I'm out of St. Louis.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Maybe like 10 St. Louis and then the rest of the game pieces.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get.
All right, this is like the slowest building tower for being a small tower. Okay, 3 minutes. This is why I don't normally record building towers because it is slow going. Oh, here we go, here we go. Pushing forward, hopefully it's enough. I know the push forward won't be enough, but then the free tokens should help. Because it only pushes it forward a little bit. Now it's the free tokens.
Now you're bonus. Let's see if it gets behind that. They need to fall. It needs to fall in the middle there, because then it'll push your tower.
Yeah.
Fall in the middle. Fall in the middle.
Oh, did that move at all?
Come on. Yeah, it's gonna move. Maybe not. Come on.
Oh, it moved a little.
Not enough, darn it.
Oh, okay. This gotta be it.
Oh! Come on!
Fall in the middle.
All right, quit tapping the screen.
Sorry. Okay, this is it.
There it is.
Yes! All right, there we go.
Ooh.
There we go.
Thank heavens.
Now let's see. All right. I say 1,400.
We're making guesses.
We're making guesses. How many do you say, Holly?
That tower is 300. So I'm gonna go with 900.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right, Robert, what do you say?
I'm not the expert at this.
I say 1,400.
I'm going 13.
13. Oh my God. We're doing that
I don't want to go
high-low game. You don't want to go.
very important. You don't go
All right,
over.
so it's wow. That wasn't very
That's why
many
some people
bonuses
bid
at all.
$1.
Is that so?
Yeah.
So if you only bid $1,
And you don't. If everybody else goes over and you bet $1,
you win.
you win it. Yeah.
It's kind of like bluffing the show.
Yeah. And then there's like a certain amount between. Like if you're only a certain amount off, then you get. I think you get another prize or something. It's a big deal.
Apparently. It's been a long, long time since I've watched The Price is Right. I'm pretty sure I've seen Happy Gilmore more recently than an episode of The Price is Right.
I should have a lot of tickets today.
You definitely should have a lot of tickets today. I mean, if you think about it, he won 3 towers on this game, and I couldn't even win 1 on the one next to it.
All right, well, I lost.
What'd you lose?
It's over
Oh,
900.
no, it's not. Sorry, I got distracted already.
I guess 900.
All right, mine was 1,400.
No, you were 1,200.
No, I was 1,400.
What
He
is
was
he?
1,200.
You're 1,200.
You 1,200. I'm 1,400.
It's gonna blow
Wow,
past
Bob's
that.
gonna lose.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
stop.
It's got to at least get to 1,200.
Oh!
Oh, no. Don't do it. Overbid.
You over? But wait, you said
No, it was closest. You still win.
I still win, okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. You tell. I'm not
What
doing.
was it?
You didn't want it to go over. It was
Right.
1,196, and you said.
I
12.
said it's gonna be 900. You said 1,200, so you're the closest.
All right,
Without
so
going
close.
over. That's your point, right?
know.
You can't go over. All right. Enough of this. Let's go watch Zombie. Yeah, on the back. By your sister-in-law. Because your wife's a powder.
That should add up.
That should add up. You should have a
Get
lot.
at least 10,000 today. That's my goal.
All right. Holly's like, Bob took my favorite spot. Uh-oh, it's broken. All right. I'm going to see. I'm going to try it.
You're gonna put a monkey wrench.
I'm going to try it.
You're the monkey wrench.
I'm going to try it. Oh, he missed it. I think I get both of us on the screen. He got 100, and I missed my turn. Okay. Does it time out? Like, am I gonna miss?
Yeah, we'll time out.
Oh! This is why I don't play. I'm done. Oh my God, they're right next to each other. I am giving up. He got the 3, he got 1, and there's still another one. This is a rarity.
I'll play it.
Robert, thank you. Here, take my card. You have to wait till it's done giving you your tickets. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Zombie Snatcher, there's usually only 1 zombie puck at a time.
What the hell just happened?
For what you didn't have it because your money was still adding, but for whatever reason, today there are 2 zombie pucks. So the double, he won me 20. Can I go to your left, or will that mess you up? No talking.
Dang it.
Anyway, so then here we got Holly over here. Let's see what she wins. She wasn't.
I am doing awful. I gotta get my timing.
Oh, I'm way up. Man, this thing's itching my nose.
Just slower.
It's too itchy.
Oh, Holly, that was way off.
I gotta get my timing.
Oh, almost.
This mask is itching me.
Just pull it down. There's no one around us.
Dang it. Getting thrown off here.
As soon as I record them, they don't do as well. Holly was just off. She missed that one.
I'm just not thinking. I gotta chill.
Chill. Don't worry about me right here. I'm not. Holly's doing bad too.
I suck. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Oh, this is 666.
Oh, that's the devil.
It's the devil, Bobby. You got 50.
50.
You got what?
I gotta do a lap or something. I
Holly's like, my purse is getting. Oh, what was that? He didn't get that, but he got 50. All right, he's using my card, so I'll be happy with whatever he gets. Here, see, there's 2 of them. They just spit it out again.
Oh, come on. Jeez.
Is it just me or are the arms going a little slower? Yeah, oh, come on. What is going on here? Not good. There we go.
There we go.
All right. And it counted and it raised it, got rid of the 666. So when you get that, it's worth 300. Oh, so I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Robert. Holly just got. Oh, she just got. Sorry. Look at this shameless girl. Shameless. Wait, is this the part where you're blaming your loss on me?
500 is still out there.
This is where the banter is.
All right, he doesn't like my idle chit chat. I'll just shh. So he got 50.
Like that because it hits the other one.
You need to play with headphones.
She just got 100.
When it's like that, it's so hard.
500. He just wanted me. Now give me my card. You got me the 500. 500.
All right.
And the bonus reset because Holly won. What was it? 686.
Yeah. Headphones. I'm bringing headphones next time.
All right. Oh, Holly just got a zombie puck. 300.
There's 250 still in there.
You don't want the points?
I know if you want to keep playing.
There's 250 still out there.
It's all right.
No, I'm good. It's just when you play zombie, you did, but it's so. It takes how many is it? 8.5. It quickly takes your and I want to play the trapdoor. I want to make sure I have enough for trapdoor. Close.
I know, it drives me crazy.
Does me recording you make you nervous?
No, you're fine.
250. She's good.
Should be another 250. Yeah, there it is right there. It's better when they're on the outside.
You can play with your card if you want.
I hardly have anything left.
Well, we can use mine for trapdoor, so it's fine.
Gotta get a couple of easy wins to get another.
Yeah, so they've won both of the zombie, and remember, you have to have so many wins for it to spit out the pucks. I think it's like 7 to 8 wins, and then it'll spit out more pucks.
I want the 500 spit out.
So she's waiting for the 250.
No, I'm just trying to get some easy
Oh,
wins.
she got 100. See, I know, my zombie did that too. I almost didn't get it.
I gotta get something to push into it.
Did we say that?
No, her puck is stuck, so she's trying to. There you go. So she got her 100.
I'm trying to get some easy.
Is it moving? No, she's got to win another one. All right, I'm gonna stop recording them so they can play.
Where's the 250?
It's not awarded any yet.